Hiya. Can you please have one
Hello,
burglar?
hello.
Sorry, one monkey burglar. No. Calm down. Mahmood uncle, calm down.
We are innocent of
Food,
come here?
food,
How
need
did you come
food,
here?
We want
need
monkey
food.
burglar.
Yo, how did you come here?
Monkey burglar. No, one minute. Calm down. Give your head. Calm down, please. Give me burger, please. I'm hungry. Bambolino hungry.
How did you come inside?
From walking. We come
By walking.
Yeah, but this is for workers only, the Christmas for that side.
We
Food,
were
please,
here,
food.
We were.
Okay, look. Yeah,
One monkey
you want
burglar,
food?
please. Monkey burglar.
What can I get you?
Monkey burglar.
Monkey.
Yeah, monkey burglar.
What's a monkey burglar?
It's a thing to download in the stomach.
And later we draw in the
No,
toilet.
we don't do monkey burglar.
We have checked on the menu.
I'll just show you.
If it's not on the menu, we don't do it. This is not monkey burger, this is a King Kong burger.
Sorry, how?
King Kong burger.
I
King
love-
Kong is the father of monkey. Yeah, this one.
No, it's not father of monkey.
I apologize from that. So my nose, Mahmood uncle. Dumbarino, do you want anything?
I'm not Mahmood uncle.
My English is not straight. I'm sorry.
Dumbarino is a bit sad today. Dumbarino, do you want anything? Dumbarino is saying hi to you. Dumbarino, do you want anything else?
Dumbarino is sad. Dumbarino wants una zipa.
Dumbarino is sad.
Una zipper.
Dumbarino want una zipa.
What's a una zipper?
One una zipa, like round. Circle.
This is a tuna pizza.
Sorry?
Una zipa.
Tuna pizza.
This is how we speak in Bamrolistan from Bambardola land. Do you have saucy hips?
We don't do saucy.
I really like
Saucy?
saucy.
No.
hips.
Saucy hips like the round one.
No, we don't do saucy hips. I don't know. I never heard of
I'll
it.
just show you.
Chappal potli, gugu gaga. It's
Gugu
a
gaga.
yeah.
Dogi done. Sorry, do you have tillotaga?
Telotaga?
Tillotaga, yeah. Like it's a national dish of Bamrolistan from Bambardola land.
No, we don't
I'll
do.
just show you saucy hips.
No, this not sauce. This sauce dips.
Sorry?
Sauce dips.
Yeah, saucy
Sauce.
hips.
Sauce dips.
Yeah. This one, slippery liquid.
not saucy,
And
it's saucy. Why are you wearing a watermelon for?
What?
no, it's cooling system for Dumbarino. He's a bit angry today.
Can't you see the heat? It's just to make my brain cool.
Cool down, Dumbarino. Don't worry.
It doesn't work.
Cool down, Dumbarino.
Please give us food. We don't have time. We are very busy.
Dumbarino, behave. What are you doing? Behave, Dumbarino.
Is sad. Dumbarino is hungry.
How much altogether?
It's all that's 25 pounds.
We don't have money. No money.
So you go into a shop with no money?
No. Food is for free for human.
Please tell them we are hungry.
No money. Food only.
If you have less money, then come back on the 27th of July.
Sorry, 27th July. What's that?
Monday.
Yeah.
To 30th of July on Thursday. From them days, Monday to Thursday, then 4 days, we go buy one get one free.
Do you have any offer, like free food offer?
Look, on the 27th of July, on that Monday, if you come for the first 100 orders, 100 customers, they get a free cheeseburger meal.
Thank you, Mahmood uncle.
Oh,
my cat.